Now, let us accept that ChatGPT is such a powerful language model that it can effectively assist data scientists in a variety of tasks. For example, it can be used to generate natural language explanations for complex models and predictions, making it easier for non-technical stakeholders to understand and interpret the results. Additionally, it can be used to generate synthetic data sets, which can be useful for training and testing models in situations where real world data is scarce or difficult to obtain. It can also be used to extract insights and information from large unstructured data sets, such as text or speech data, by using its language understanding capabilities to identify patterns and trends. Overall, ChatGPT can help data scientists to be more efficient, accurate, and effective in their work by providing powerful tools for working with natural language data. Now, on the screen, you will see some examples of use cases for data scientists to use ChatGPT as their aid in their day-to-day projects. Data exploration. You provide ChatGPT with a data set and it can generate summary statistics, visualization ideas, and insights into the data. And then there is data modeling. You give ChatGPT a set of data and a target variable, and it can generate code for different machine learning models and suggest the best model for the task. And then there is feature engineering. You provide ChatGPT with a data set, can generate suggestions for new features to create based on the data. Error debugging. You provide ChatGPT with an error message and the code that caused it, and it can generate suggestions for how to fix the issue. Amazing. Predictive modeling. Give ChatGPT a data set and a target variable, and it can generate code for different machine learning models and suggest the best model for the task. Report generation. You provide ChatGPT with a data set, it can generate a report with summary statistics, visualizations, insights, recommendations, explaining the model, the code, the data. You give ChatGPT a machine learning model, it can explain it in natural language, making it easy for non-technical people to understand. Same goes with a piece of code. Same goes with the data set. It can explain it in a natural language, making it easy for anybody to understand. And then we have documentation and technical writing. You give ChatGPT information about a piece of software or a programming concept, and it can generate clear and comprehensive documentation. You ChatGPT with a topic related to data science, and it can generate an informative and well-written article or blog post on the subject. Time management and project management. So time management, you provide ChatGPT with a list of tasks and deadlines, and it can generate a schedule and suggestions for prioritizing the tasks. How cool. And then project management, you provide ChatGPT with project requirements. It can generate for you a project plan, a task list, a timeline. Wow. Now, these are some of the basic stuff that ChatGPT can do to aid all the data scientists in the world to help do their work more comfortably, more efficiently, and more faster and more accurately, to be precise. And there will be a lot more new things as ChatGPT learns from the amount of data that it is being trained upon. And slowly and steadily, we will understand all of these more hidden capabilities of ChatGPT that any data scientist can use. So in this course, we will see all of these. We will see the live usage of all of these, and you will really understand and realize and appreciate that yes, ChatGPT is something that I can really, really aid to work on the data science projects and can really, really be much, much more effective. All right, I will see you in the next lectures where we will start using ChatGPT and do all of these points one by one. And thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.